The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 is an evolution of the iconic G-Class SUV, maintaining its rugged off-road capabilities while delivering high-performance luxury. Here are some key highlights of the 2025 model. Exterior design. The G63 retains its boxy, rugged design but with modern enhancements like sleeker LED headlights, an aggressive front grille with AMG badging, and large air intakes. Wheels. It features 22-inch AMG alloy wheels, adding a bold stance. Exhaust. Quad-side exit exhaust pipes emphasize its performance nature. AMG styling. The car showcases unique AMG elements like sporty bumpers, flared wheel arches, and exclusive exterior colors. Interior luxury. The cabin is upholstered in premium leather with high-quality stitching, and AMG-specific details like carbon fiber trim and aluminum accents. Technology. It has a large dual-screen setup that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system, offering box, Mercedes-Benz user experience, with advanced voice control and navigation. Seating. Spacious with heated, ventilated, and massage functions for front and rear passengers. Sound system. A premium Burmester surround sound system provides an immersive audio experience. Performance. Engine. The 2025 AMG G63 is powered by a 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, producing approximately 577 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. Transmission. Paired with the 9-speed automatic transmission and AMG-tuned all-wheel drive system. Acceleration. 0 to 60 miles per hour time of about 4.5 seconds, impressive for an SUV of this size and weight. Driving modes. Multiple driving modes, including sport, comfort, and off-road, allowing the driver to adjust the vehicle's behavior based on terrain or driving preference. Off-road capability. Retains its 3 locking differentials, low-range gearbox, and impressive ground clearance for true off-road adventure. Safety and driver assistance. Safety features. The 2025 G63 includes a suite of advanced safety technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Autonomous features. It may include semi-autonomous driving capabilities with enhanced lane keeping and adaptive speed control. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 is a blend of luxury, off-road capability, and extreme performance, catering to those who seek both ruggedness and high-end driving experience.